Here's a new 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid. This Accord Hybrid offers refined elegance, technology that keeps you comfortable, connected, and safe, and amazing fuel efficiency. Your friends will be green with envy. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.